All right, for problem 27, the first thing I'm going to do, anytime there's a problem with coordinate points, you're going to want to graph them if you're not sure what you're doing. So step one, just graph things. So I'm here at -2, 1, so that's going to be point P. Always label the letter whenever you're graphing. And then the point 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 4, 7, which is point T. So I'm going to use a straight edge, which I'm just going to use the edge of this calculator here to connect those points. Cool. So with those points, I can go back and read the problem. It says coordinate J will divide my segment into a ratio of 2 to 1, which means P and T. J needs to go somewhere in between so that you have 2 sections to the left of J and 1 section to the right of J. Does that make sense? That's what a 2 to 1 ratio would be. So if I look at this, that's a total of 3 segments. So if you eyeball it, hopefully you can see where the points would be that easily break this into 3 segments. If you can't tell, you could count all the way up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to break 6 into 3 segments, actually every 2, I would have to put a point. And the same thing if you were to go across, it would be 6 units across. So that means every 2 units you're going to put a point. So if I go up 2 over 2, I've got my point here. Up 2 over 2, I've got my point here. So you should be able to see 3 equal pieces. And then J would end up being right here. So that way I have 2 sections from P to J and 1 section from J to T. So that's going to be the point 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that'll be the point 2, 5.